Kasi usually mga love teams, talaga nagkakatuluyan eh, di ba? Nagiging sila talaga. In your case, like what I asked earlier, posible ba kayong ma-in-love sa isa't isa? Although, sinasabi na nung iba, hindi pa ba?
Like you said, kung possible, anything is possible.
Saan po kayo?
Nandito ako. Tumayo na ako.
May sila kasi.
Hi, Astin, and of course, Andres. Una-muna, congratulations.
Thank you.
Astin muna. Astin, you've been around for quite some time. I remember 2016 ka nagsimula, right? So it took you some 9 years bago mo na-realize yung pangarap mo. Dumating ba yung point na parang medyo impatient ka na sa kahihintay na parang walang nangyayari sa career mo until of course pagdating ni Andres sa buhay
Siguro
mo?
hindi ko masabing impatient. Siguro mas more on parang dumating ako sa point na in-accept ko na parang hindi talaga, if hindi ito yung para sa akin, parang willing akong i-give up siya or willing akong mag-take ng ibang career. And yun po yung like yung 7 months po akong walang work tapos dumating po yung mutihan ng Section 8.
Andres, nauna sa iyo ang kakambal mo, of course, si Natasha, right? Nauna siya, she was ahead sa pasok sa showbiz. At that time kasi parang hindi ka pa decided na pumasok. So what made you finally decide na sundan mo yung yapak ng kapatid mo?
Actually, prior naman, it was, we already knew, or we already kind of decided naman that it was going to go there, in that direction naman. Mas nuuna lang si Tash kasi also, she finished her studies before me. And parang we already knew in our hearts that we wanted to do this. And not only just do it for the sake of doing it, but also given the chance to really work hard and give our best with our craft, because we know that the industry is not an easy place, and you know our parents often would remind us that, but we both knew deep in our hearts that if we just worked hard enough and really gave our effort, talagang maybe sana if the Lord would give it, like things could happen naman. And buti na lang naman, I'm so grateful and really I feel blessed na me and Tasha have been able to, you know, achieve some things in the time being that we've been.
Para sa inyong dalawa, posible bang ma-inlove kayo sa isa't isa? Hindi pa ba? Sabi ng mga fans, oh. Hindi pa ba?
Sorry, can you repeat it?
Kasi usually mga love teams, talaga nagkakatuluyan eh, di ba? Nagiging sila talaga. In your case, like what I asked earlier, posible ba kayong ma-inlove sa isa't isa? Although, sinasabi na nung iba, hindi pa ba?
Like you said, kung possible, anything is possible. Pero, di ko na masabi.
Astin?
Same answer po.
So, posible talaga. Malaki ang
Hindi
chance.
po natin masasabi, pero tignan po natin.
Yung level ng friendship nyo ngayon, kumusta na? Nasa, in a scale of 1 to 10, nasa ano?
Ako 11 ako.
11 na rin ako. No, pero totoo, kami ni Ash, we're very close na, and even on the set, on working days, I would like to say, or I would like to believe na we enjoy each other's company naman. And it's always a fun time.
Yeah, mas naging comfortable po kami sa isa't isa ngayon.
Okay.
Good pa.
Alam ko dalawa lang yung tanong, pero tatanungin ko muna si Direk. Direk, while doing this movie, sabi mo nga may Anthony Magic, Anthony Chemistry, but of course, meron pa rin kayong napapansin sa kanilang dalawa. Working with this two, kasi first time nyo silang na-direct.
Well, si Ashley nakatrabaho ko na before, so hindi na ako surprise sa kanya. Si Andres actually, di ba naalala mo yung meron tayong scene na kailangan mong umiyak?
Spoiler!
Naalala ko bakit? Na kailangan mong umiyak. To be honest, na-surprise ako kay Andres kasi I had this thinking na may assumption ako na hindi siya nakakaiyak. Pero nung take one pa lang, binigay na talaga niya. So, di ba, parang surpassed my expectations.
Balikan na kita, Andres. Ano ang pinagugutan mo dun sa iyak scene na yun?
Para sa akin, I think really it's really the scene. Talagang, kasi malalim talaga yung scene at kahit yung lines ko doon, talagang na-feel ko nung sinasabi ko. Kaya, it was easier for me to release those emotions because I really felt the lines as I was saying.
Lastly, kasi kayong dalawa ang bida sa pelikula nito. This is your first movie together. Wala bang pressure na nararamdaman sa inyong dalawa? Kasi kayo magdadala ng pelikula eh.
Ako po nung una, nung nagkaroon kami ng 12 million views sa first teaser, parang doon po pumasok yung pressure sa akin. Parang na-realize ko doon na halaan taas na expectation ng mga tao. Pero nung na-realize ko po na napapasukan na ako ng pressure, kasi hindi ako nakaka-work ng maayos kapag under pressure ako, kasi hindi ko nagagawa ng maayos yung trabaho ko. So, tinigil ko po agad siya, and mas nag-focus po ako doon sa mga dapat po namin gawin.
Andres?
Ako naman, yes, kasi first movie ko to talaga and may pressure yan talaga kasi dahil first naman. Pero sa tingin ko naman kasi mas na-excite ako talaga because this is my first like, film and acting project and really kahit noon pa naman nung bata pa ako, I always dreamed na one day I'd be on the silver screen and jumping from teleserye, from a series to now the silver screen, I can say that I'm in the middle of one of my dreams. And so, for me, parang, it's much more of excitement than pressure. But the pressure is definitely there. And importante din yung pressure, if you want to do a good job and produce good work, you need the pressure in.
Thank you so much and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Moyo. Next, let's proceed with Abate